In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your TikTok bio. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, copy whatever it is that you want to use for a link. For example, like an Instagram website. Let's just go ahead and say I want to do my Instagram, right? Boom, there we go. We got the link copied. And then essentially get back on TikTok. And once you're on TikTok, hit the profile icon down in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. And once you're on your profile page, go ahead and tap edit next to your profile picture. This is going to take you to the edit profile section. We need to find the link section just like so. Open it up and you're looking for the little URL section on here. Go ahead and select it. It looks like I actually already have my YouTube on here as well, so I'm not going to change it, but essentially go ahead and paste your link into your URL field and then hit save up in the top right. Once you hit save, you can back out. You'll see it in this section. Then you can back out again all the way back to your main profile and you'll see your link in there. It really is as simple as that. Now just keep in mind, you may need a business account or at least 1,000 followers to access this feature. If you don't have 1,000 features, create a business account. You're good to go. That is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.